Let it.
It's Dani here from Sigma Beauty, Sigma's global makeup artist. We are going back to basics today, and I'm going to show you how to apply blush using our F40 large angled contour brush. Here is a nice close-up of the brush. You have a beautiful angle to the brush, which really makes it easy for applying blush or even contour or bronzer to the cheek. It really does a great job of hugging the cheek because you do have some nice give to the brush. It isn't too dense. So if I turn it like this, you can see that it is a little bit wider towards the center of the brush. And that width really helps to hug your cheek and give you a beautiful wash of color very easily. So I'm going to be using the Quarter Rosa blush palette today, which looks like this. You have 6 beautiful blush shades, some shimmers, some mattes, a lot of different tones for you to mix and match. My favorite mix that I love is Coral Dawn up here and Senorita. Coral Dawn's a really beautiful matte peachy pink. Senorita is kind of a corally bronze shade that has some shimmer to it. So I love mixing these to get a custom color, but also a little bit of sheen onto the cheeks. So I am mixing both shades just right on the entirety of the bristles on the top. You can see like that. And then tapping off the excess because these powders are very, very pigmented. When adding color to the face or even to the eyes, it's always best to add in layers. It's easier to add than it is to take away. And this will also just help the longevity of your makeup when you are applying in layers. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have the blush ready to go on my brush, and I'm going to turn the brush so the shorter bristles are towards my hairline, and then finding the apple of my cheek, I'm just going to slightly smile, kind of where the light catches your cheek. That's where I want the blush to go. And then I'm just going to blend it a little upward just to give my cheek more of a lifting effect. So everything is nice and blended. There's no defined lines between the blush and the bronzer. Everything just looks very cohesive. And I'm just going to smile just a little bit. You don't want to smile too big because then that way when you relax your face, your blush moves down and it's not in the place where you actually want it to be. And then it's really just as easy as swiping back. So you can see when I press, it really kind of distributes the bristles throughout the apples of my cheeks. It really diffuses that blush beautifully. So that was barely any blush on my brush, and you can see the difference already and just how much of a natural flush that gives my cheeks. Just so beautiful. This brush is a total user-friendly brush. You can use it as a beginner, as a pro. It is a must-have in any beauty lover's kit. Just a very pretty, soft flush of color. No blush, blush. Okay, let's do the other side. And just tapping, making sure everything is nice and blended. There we go. Do a little closer. Just really quick and easy using the F40 large angled contour brush.